and this is great because so much. So the first thing we're going to do is our cauliflower. And so welcome so much for all of you that are joining in, especially if you're not watching this video live, because vegetable, because you can do so many things with it. I love cauliflower. The thing we're going to do is add our strawberries and vitamin C. And vitamin C, that is what vegetables and fruits do I want to, and that's a great question. And one of the things, let's put the strawberries into the, we're going to do is add our almonds. Hi Vince, I see that you're on here. So good to see you. All going to help your blood sugar. And it's also going, you can see my chives are starting to go to seed. Look at the tops of those. A lot of people in family. And if you've seen in the, a couple tablespoons of chives here, just chop them up and make sure that you blend them. It is for me, so I'm not being real careful because I've washed my salad and just kind of stir it up a little. And then to explode it, we're actually use store-bought lemon juice. And we want this couple teaspoons of cilantro. This is actually times where I have an overabundance. Such a great way to do. And we're going to see salt. Also, I like to add stevia just to offset the lemon, because the lemon is, make sure this is all mixed up really nice. Such a great summer salad. See how pretty it is? I put the lemon zest on the salad. Oh my God. One thing nice about the salad, it's going to freshen your breath. Holiday weekend. I like to just, be good antioxidants to your salad. So this is what the salad, I just love how it looks and it tastes so well. So I'm going to have exactly as good as it looks. Great meal, great side dish. So thank you everyone.